Are you looking for the best mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keychron Q1 Pro Wireless Custom Mechanical Keyboard. Wireless and full metal, meet the Keychron Q1 Pro, a groundbreaking full metal QMK/VIA wireless custom mechanical keyboard. Along with our many premium designs, including double gasket design, PBT keycaps, screw-in stabs, etc., it will deliver you an unprecedented typing experience. The entire metal body is crafted with 6063 aluminum that is processed through CNC machined, polished, anodized, sandblasted, and undergoes 24 more manufacturing stages. Multitasking wirelessly and wired connections, you can connect the Q1 Pro with up to 3 devices wirelessly via its stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless multitasking across your laptop, phone, and tablet. Switch among them swiftly, and it's fully compatible with both Mac and Windows. The Q1 Pro can last up to 100 hours, at lowest brightness, with a 4000 mAh big battery, which is one of the biggest in mechanical keyboards. It also has wired mode with USB Type-C connection. Programmable with QMK and VIA, Keychron Q1 Pro allows anyone to remap any key and create macro commands, shortcuts, or combination keys through VIA. Simply connect the Q1 Pro to your device with a cable, drag and drop your favorite keys or macro commands to remap any key you want on any system, macOS, Windows, or Linux. Note: user can remap a key on wired mode only. Once it's done, the key map will work on both wireless and wired modes. Hot swappable support. The pre-lubed mechanical linear red switch provides unrivaled tactile responsiveness with up to 15 million keystroke lifespan. You can also hot swap the Q1 Pro with almost all of the 3-pin and 5-pin MX mechanical switches on the market, including Cherry, Gateron, Kale, Panda, etc., without soldering required. The PCB-mounted screw-in stabilizer for big keys such as spacebar, shift, enter, and delete are designed for less wobbliness and smooth performance. Double gasket design. In addition to the gaskets on the plates, we added silicone pads between the top and bottom cases to significantly reduce the sound resonance between the metals and reduce the noise of the impacted metals. This design combination allows the keyboard to maintain the flexibility of the gasket structure and improves the overall typing sound. Number 2. Asus ROG Azoth 75% Wireless DIY Custom Gaming Keyboard. ROG SpeedNova Wireless Technology. ROG SpeedNova Wireless Technology offers up to 2000 plus hours of stable, uninterrupted near-zero latency gameplay in 2.4 GHz RF mode, RGB and OLED off. OLED Smart Display Screen. 2-inch OLED panel can show the settings menu, media visualizations and system monitoring. 3-way control knob for adjusting RGB, media or music settings for a fantastic game experience. Unique gasket mount design. Silicone gasket mount with 3 layers of dampening foam combined provides a silent keyboard and unrivaled typing experience for gaming players. Hot swappable ROG NX mechanical switches. Pre-lubed switches for smoother clicks and eliminates bouncing noises respectively. Fast actuation and ROG Tune Force curves provide great keystroke feel and consistency. DIY Switch Lube Kit. The ROG Azoth includes a complete set of tools for DIY switch lubing. The kit includes a switch opener, keycap puller, switch puller, lube station, brush, and a bottle of Krytox GPL 205 GD0 lubricant, allowing players can customize the keyboard on their preference. Number 3. Corsair K100 Air Wireless RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Stunning, refined, and ultra-thin, the K100 Air is an unbelievably thin wireless gaming keyboard, just 11 mm at its slimmest point, seamlessly blending stunning design and everyday productivity in an elegant brushed aluminum frame. Fast wireless and wired connection options. 3 ways to connect to up to 5 different devices, via sub-1 ms slipstream wireless on PC or Mac, low latency Bluetooth on up to 3 host devices, or USB wired with Axon 8000 Hz hyperpolling, for hyper-fast wireless versatility. Masterful wireless multitasking. Quickly switch between wireless connections on your PC, Mac, and more at the press of a key, with secure AES 128-bit encryption. Cherry MX Ultra Low Profile Mechanical Key Switches offer an incredibly short 0.8 mm actuation distance with a tactile bump for ultra-responsive gaming and typing. Long-lasting wireless battery with per-key RGB backlighting. Enjoy up to 50 hours of wireless battery life with dynamic per-key RGB backlighting and adaptive brightness that automatically adjusts to lighting conditions, or go the distance with up to 200 hours with backlighting off. Number 4. Logitech MX Mechanical Mini for Mac Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. Mastered for Mac, MX Mechanical Mini for Mac Bluetooth keyboard features a key layout for Mac designed for feel and productivity, optimized for macOS and compatible with iPadOS and iOS. 1. Precise and quiet typing. Mechanical tactile quiet switches have a satisfying tactile bump you feel but barely hear, for precise feedback, reactive key reset, and a fluid typing experience. Mini size with low-profile keys. Experience more comfort with a minimalist, compact form factor featuring low-profile mechanical keys for effortless precision and better ergonomics. Smart illumination. Backlit keys light up the moment your hands approach the cordless keyboard and automatically adjust to suit changing lighting conditions. Multi-Mac connectivity. Pair MX Mechanical Mini for Mac multi-device keyboard via Bluetooth Low Energy with up to 3 Mac computers or iPads and switch between them seamlessly. Faster workflow, more customization. Customize FN keys, assign backlighting effects, enable flow cross-computer control with MX Master 3S for Mac, and more in the improved Logi options plus. 2. USB-C to USB-C rechargeable. MX Mechanical Mini for Mac stays powered up to 15 days on a full charge or up to 10 months with the backlighting turned off. 3. Plastic parts in MX Mechanical Mini for Mac include certified post-consumer recycled plastic, pale gray, 36%, and space gray, 47%. 5. Certified carbon neutral. Number 5. Ujitsu Realforce R2 Keyboard, Tenkeyless, Ivory. Topra capacitive switches provide best-in-class precision and efficiency, requiring only a gentle press to register a keystroke. Full N-key rollover, N-Caro, type as fast as you can. Topra Realforce keyboards can keep up with any number of keystrokes and ensure you're always in control. Contoured frame and key settings allow for smooth movement across keys, reducing hand and finger fatigue. Space-saving design removes the number pad, allowing for a 20% smaller keyboard.